Hi, this is Chris Rains with Savato Technologies, and today we're going to talk about QR codes for individual listings and how to get them. Recently we started putting QR codes in all of our listings in our IDX feed, and we just want to show you how to get those QR codes and how to use them. So what you do, just go to your website if you've got one of our IDXs. So let's say Coldwell Banker Chelan, I know they've got one of our IDX feeds. So from here, go to a property search. Let's go to their featured listings. Excuse me. And let's go residential. So we'll just take this listing here for an example. And so if we wanted to use this QR code, let's say in some marketing, an advertisement, or if we wanted to use this QR code on a sign or a flyer, right here, this is too small to really use. So it's actually linked to the high-res version. So all you have to do to get this high-res version is right-click instead of your typical left. Let's do a right-click. Save picture as, and then I'm going to save it to the desktop, and we'll call it, I think, for the simplest thing, I know this is, I believe it's MLS number 997399, so I'm going to call this 99739, and say save. Now, it shows up over here in my desktop. Let's just double click that. Now it's large enough that you can email that to your graphic designer if you're putting together an ad, or maybe your office administrator is making labels for your signs. Now you can use that just like you would any other graphic. And let me just show you exactly what that does now. I'm going to open up my QR code reader, and I use Red Laser. It's one of the best. Now it read that code and it's going to ask me, do you want to go there? Yes, I do. I open up that link. So it takes me directly to this page. So again, if I was somebody walking by a home for sale and this QR code was on the flyer box or on a sign writer, I would be able to zap that code, and now I've got all the information. And I can see the pictures, price, and such about this listing. So very handy. But that's how you use them. Basically, you right-click, save as, and I always like to save as the number of the MLS number so that we know what codes are what if we're using 2 or 3 of them.